All right, guys. I welcome you to another episode on Crypto Fountain. As usual, it's about crypto, and today there is a new update. In fact, there is a good news, an exciting update for all Bloom miners. If you are not mining Bloom, remember I'll leave a link in the description section. Make sure you join. And let me say I'm sorry for you because mining is actually ending so sooner than expected. And guys, this update is mind blowing. I can't even wait. It was posted right today, 19th of June 2024. Guys, let's go straight to the updates and we discuss. All right, guys. So as you can see, I am on Bloom's Telegram official announcement channel. So I saw this update today and I was like, wow, I can't keep this to only myself. Now let's dive in. Check this section. Let me show you something. Let's discuss this, guys. All right, check this section. It says the game. Nah, let's start here. The update started with a rhetorical question because you see these guys are asking us what's next for Bloom from we the miners. Meanwhile, we have no answers. They are the developers and we expect the answer from them. Did they give us the answer in the updates? All right, let's all digest. So it starts like this: the game will end someday. The game will end someday. The trading app is here to stay. Guys, get that again. Look at this section. I want to show you something here. Take from this guy here. All right. As I made it already known to every miner that joined Bloom or that's in my crypto fountain community on Telegram and also on WhatsApp. If you are not there, the link is in the description section. I already told you to take Bloom very serious because you see it was a very unique project from the onset. For Christ's sake, you see the app, the Telegram mini app through which we are mining the tokens, it's going to be turned into a trading app. Guys, this is amazing. Imagine having an exchange like Binance or let's say a Dex wallet like MetaMask Trust wallets, or you can make name of them in Telegram. So you just open your Telegram and you can trade all your crypto stuff. Guys, this is amazing. And look at what they said the trading app is here to stay. So what does that tell you? Do you think mining will keep longer? Because mining ends as soon as the trading app is launched. And they said the trading app is here, meaning we could wake up either tomorrow or any other day and the news we will get is Bloom mining has ended and then the trading app is live. Guys, take Bloom mining serious. Take it very, very serious. You are really lucky to be part of this winning family. Okay, now let's continue. It says let's take a critical look at this part. Okay, and it says games are fun, but Bloom is about to level up and become much more than just an app with cute critters. Let's continue. Here's a reminder of our epic plans. Do you get that? The underlying word here is epic, right? Here is a reminder of our epic plans. Now, number one, it says classic tokens, meme coins, everything all in one place. If the DEX interface scared you before, no worries anymore, guys. Okay, number two, trade without chain switching, native token gas fee, or endless transaction confirmations. Meaning, this is going to be a super app. Imagine trading without the need to switch to, let's say you are on Ethereum and you want to trade on TRC20, you have to switch to Trons, or you see, nothing like that is going to happen on the Bloom app. Guys, this app is really going to be amazing. An off-chain order book, on-chain settlement, MPC or self-custody, enabling trades from wallets like Trust Wallet and MetaMask in one transaction. Guys, let's continue to this part. It says interesting insight. Your current referrals will remain active connection to the Bloom exchange. Meaning, how can someone say, or how can a crypto project be sure people mining their coin are still going to be active users? Meaning they are going to offer exciting and amazing opportunities through their app. Guys, this is one of the reasons why I'm really, really bullish on Bloom project. And look at what they also said. This means that you continue to earn a share of the fees from any swaps or trades made through your referrals. Meaning this is going to be a lifetime project. Guys, this is amazing. Be smart about your referrals and maximize your potential earnings. So when will it start? You see, these guys are really funny in their own way. So when will it start? The answer is soon. And they ended it with a smiling or laughing emoji. Guys, what does this tell you? You see, we really have to take this project very serious, because the developers themselves telling us that the trading app is here. Guys, it should ring something in your bell. Remember, crypto developers are mostly mysterious, just like Odell did. It will shock you to wake up just tomorrow and you realize Blum mining has ended and that trading is live. Guys, take your Blum mining fucking serious. So at this point, I need something from you. Why don't you subscribe to my channel? Like the video at least to help Crypto Fountain Academy grow. So tell me, how many Blum tokens do you have now? Drop it in the comment section. See you another time with another incredible content. Until next time, be safe.